Hey, so my name is Vasanti, and I'm the assistant to this amazing artist. Her name is Shamrani Dasi, and she was 19, she's 78 now, almost 79. So 60 years ago, she was walking through the park in the Lower East Side of New York, and she said she saw what looked like a genie on a magic carpet, and it was a guru, a spiritual leader from India. And he came to America, and he was sharing the love of God. And we're not these bodies, we're the soul inside, and it's helping people to connect, to get out of this miserable, to get out of our misery and our suffering that we all experience, and to connect with God. So there's so many books like Bhagavad-gita, Srimad Bhagavatam that she illustrated. And so this is a coffee table book with all of her paintings, with explanation. So she's a saint, and she resides in Miami. She doesn't travel. She used to travel the world, but now due to age, she's residing in Miami, and she's opened up a spiritual center and gallery in the design district called Sacred Vedic Arts.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ